Hello, and welcome to my world, or welcome back to my world. My name is Lorrie, and this is not my house. This is a green screen, and this is a picture of somebody else's beautiful house that I wish I had, but it's not mine. So, not trying to kid you there. And the little kitty on the wall here. Oops. Oh, see, I can move that whole room. How easy it is to just move the furniture around wherever you want it. But this little kitten here, oh, that's still not the right one. There it is. See, so this little kitten here is also my own addition to this. Oh, I moved it down quite a bit, didn't I? La 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 la. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do this without editing, so I'm gonna get back to it and let you ignore the background and stuff. And if you haven't subscribed, it's a little bit crazy around here, but I'm completely normal. Kind of. Anyway, I got mail, and I'm super excited that I got mail. This is from Adrienne at Indiana Backyard Gardener. I won a bunch of stuff on one of her lives, her live giveaway when she hit 1K. Woohoo! And I will leave her link down below, and if I remember, I'll put it up here. If I remember, you know how bad I am with that stuff, and I should write stuff down, but I don't, and I need to start doing that. Maybe that'll help me with organization too. So let's start off. We'll see what's in here. Oh, she was sending some things directly from Amazon, and because she's in Amazon.com land and I'm in Amazon.ca land, they don't like each other and they won't talk and they won't ship back and forth. So she wasn't able to send me that, but she did send me a whole bunch of seeds, including a tea mix. Blah, 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 including a tea mix. And I'm not cutting that out because this is just going to go up as is. This is me in real life. Anyway, yes, thank you, Adrian. Now let's see what I've got. There's a whole bunch of seeds that she sent me, so I'm very excited to see. So some of them, of course, you won't be able to see because they're green, and I have a green screen, and so you'll see how they disappear. And we have some cilantro, and oh, good, this is some more dill, and Sylvia lettuce, which looks like a very pretty red lettuce. This is exciting. Chives. I love chives. It's funny how the green disappears, right? Parsley. You can never go wrong growing parsley, of course. And, oh, Greek oregano. I grow lots of oregano. So, yes. Oh, and look, a sticker. We'll get to that in a minute. After we look at the tea garden, so we have chamomile, lavender, and sweet marjoram. Now, I've never tried sweet marjoram, I don't think, in a tea, so that will be interesting. But if you know me at all, you know that I love my tea, and you know that I'm doing a tea garden, and I have tea plants I'm going to be planting. As soon as I can get some of my other stuff moved outside, I'm going to plant those tea plants or get them started inside. I think that I don't know whether they'll stay inside until next spring or I don't know, but I got to get one of them seeds in the ground and see what happens with my tea garden. But yeah, so this is wonderful. Chamomile, lavender, and sweet marjoram. I can definitely grow some more stuff for my own herbal blends of teas, and that I love. So thank you, Adrian. Thank you for including me in your giveaway and sending me all those fabulous seeds and this fantastic sticker. The more you know, the more you grow. Indiana Backyard Gardener. And of course, the leaves that you can see through me and back to the wall. The leaves are green, of course. So there's that. And that's going to go. Now, I finally have got my sticker board. Let's see if we can see that. We got Cindy Squirrel, Gal Southern Living, Free Handling Made, Britain Farms, Vineyard Chicks, a couple of versions, and Red Road Homestead. And I had a couple others, and I haven't been able to find them yet, but I'm still looking. And then I think I'll put this one right up here. So I don't have stickers yet, but if you want to send me one, you're more than welcome to send me a sticker. I would love to have yours and put it on my board. Now the other side of the board, I don't know if I can cover it. I might have to paint it and then cover it, and I could have a two-sided board. But yeah, this is what I've got going on so far, and I'm thankful to every one of these people for supporting my channel and for sending me stickers and seeds and just all kinds of stuff. I really do appreciate you. And I see it now. I was going to start wrapping it up, but you know what? I did actually make some notes today. And the other reason I wanted to pop on with this quick no edit video is to just talk quickly about a couple of things. One is we're going live on June 4th, and my brother, whose channel is Sampson in the Wilderness, I think, and he's a big wilderness guy, knows so much, has a lot of skills, has a lot of talent. I'll leave his link below. He's going to come on my live so you guys can ask him questions about whatever. And yeah, he does a lot of stuff. He makes his own fabric from wool, from straight wool, right? He makes the strings and then looms them into a fabric, and he makes material that makes scarves and whatever clothing he's made. He's amazing. He makes knives, and he carves jade, and I don't even know what all he does, but he definitely knows the outdoors, and he knows how to survive in the outdoors. And he does some amazingly beautiful hikes that he's just started his channel. I don't think he's even hit 50 subscribers yet. So my effort is going to be to get him at least to there, if not to 100, to 500, to 1,000. I mean, we all know it's a process, but yeah, I'd like to really push his channel, so that's exciting. And then the other thing, of course, I have coming up is my trip to Alberta for my sister's memorial, and I'm driving because I can't fly. We're not in Canada. We still have stupid restrictions on flying, and I'd rather avoid that. Flying isn't fun anymore. I used to love to fly, but now it's just awful. It's always super crowded, and so many people are there, and the lineups and the crowds and the crabby people and the crazy people, and I don't even like it anymore. I'd rather drive anyway. I know it takes longer, but I'd rather do it anyway. So that whole thing, I'm going to build out the Forester so I can sleep in it. I might along the way stop and stay like at a little motel or something. It depends. We'll see. We'll see how that goes with sleeping in the car. But I know 2 nights I definitely will be sleeping in the Forester because where we're going, just a little campground in a little tiny town that they don't have any other services. They don't have hotels. They do have a store, I think, and a restaurant and maybe a few other things, but no hotels in the whole town. Closest one is probably 10 or 15 minutes away, but yeah. Anyway, so I'll be camping. I'll be car camping for the first time. Well, actually, no, I guess it's kind of the second time because there was one other time when I ended up sleeping in the back of the car instead of the tent. Anyway, that's another story for another day. And I've been going now for 9 minutes, so I'm going to wrap this up at before 10 minutes and say thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today, seeing what I got in the mail, and give some love to Adrian and Sampson down there, Indiana Backyard Gardener and Sampson Adventures. I'm not sure. It'll be down there. I don't have it handy, and I'm not gonna take your time up while I go and hunt that down. But it's Sampson in the Wild or something like that. But yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for coming and hanging out. I will see you soon. Take great care of yourself. You totally deserve it. I'll see you soon. Bye now.